All right, guys, we're on our last chapter, chapter 11. This was the most recent one about proportions and ratios. So 1, 2, and 3 are just solving proportions. So this is where we cross multiply. So we have, I can't see it anymore. I think that says 4x equals 56. And then if you divide both sides by 4, you'll get x. So 56 divided by 4 is x equals 14. Okay, so cross multiply. Number 2, same thing, cross multiply. Don't forget to distribute. It's 5x plus 10 equals, distribute again, 3x plus 36. And now we draw a wall. We get x's on one side, constants on the other. So if we minus the 3x over, we get 2x. If we minus the 10 over, we get 26. And then if we divide both sides by 2, then x is 13. All right, number 3, same thing, cross multiply. Y times y minus 3, you got to distribute. It's y squared minus 3y equals, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Now this one's quadratic when it's squared, so that tells you we need to minus the 18 over and set it equal to 0. So now we have y squared minus 3y minus 18 equals 0. And then now you guys could do quadratic formula or MA table and solve. All right, so we make a fraction. X equals negative b would be 3 plus or minus square root. B squared, we need parentheses, minus 4 times 1 times negative 18 all over 2 times 1. Okay, so we get 6. And then the other answer, you guys know what to do. Make the plus a subtract, and the other answer is negative 3. Okay, so that's cross multiplying. And then we did word problems where we set up a proportion. So on this one, it says 1 centimeter represents 200 miles. So that's our first ratio. 1 to 200. And the 1 is centimeters and the 200 is miles. Okay, now where should we put the 1.5? It's a centimeter, so it's going to go on top with the other centimeter, and then the x goes on bottom. And then we cross multiply. We get x equals whatever 200 times 1.5 is. And that is 300 miles. All right, doing great. We're almost done. And then we did all the simplifying. So number 1, 35 over 20, if you divide them both by 5 or do it on your calculator, you'll get 7/4. And then with the exponents dividing, we subtract. 8 minus 2 is x 6. Okay, now 2 we have to factor first. And if you look in the numerator, we have a GCF of 3x. And if you divide that out, you're left with x plus 6. And in the denominator, we also have an x plus 6. And then these cancel. Final answer is the 3x. All right, guys, last one, number 3. On top, this is the difference of 2 squares, which is the square root method. So it's x plus 2, x minus 2. On bottom is a trinomial, so this is the MA table. 2 numbers that multiply to 16 but add to negative 10. What are those numbers? Multiply to 16, add to negative 10. It's negative 8 and negative 2. Right? Multiplies to 16, adds to negative 10. So then in the denominator, we have x minus 8, x minus 2. All right, these cancel. Final answer, x plus 2 over x minus 8. All right, that's chapter 11. Thanks for watching.